The status bar is the bar at the very bottom of the Revit interface. Now, there's actually a series of commands on the status bar, and that includes such things as work sets, design options, and a variety of selection tools. The status that I care about is over on the far left-hand side. And right now we can see that it says click to select and some other text. The click to select is indicating that at this moment, one of our options is to click on an object to select it, such as if I came over to this title block, I could click on it to select it. If you have another view open on your screen right now, you could go over to that view, select on anything, and it would allow you to select on that object. What the status is telling us, right now we're in a status where we can select on objects. But if we were inside of a command, it may give us a different piece of information. We can see that if we select on really any object inside of Revit, then come up to one of the commands over Modify. What I'd like to do is select on the Move command. The object that I had selected, which is this title block, is now highlighted. And we can see that the status of this command is click to enter move start point. Right above where your start menu would be, you'll always have an indicator as to what Revit wants you to do next. In this case, since we're in the move command, it says click to enter the move start point, which means it wants us to click somewhere on the screen. It'll say click to enter move endpoint. Basically, it wants us to say where do we want to move this on the screen. If I just move over just a little bit and click, it will move that title block from one location to another location, and we can see that we're now back out of the command again. If I wanted to move it back, I could once again select on that title block, come up here to move. It'd say click the move start point, because that's the status that we're in during the command. Click, move it back over again. I'll click again. I've moved it back into place, and we're once again out of the command. And the status is telling us that we're out of the command by going back to its default state, which is click to select. So the status bar is always giving us a status update of what we can do next, whether it's select on an object, move an object from one place to another. The status area will always tell us the status of that command.